Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about the one of the base corner on HP or one of the base is inclined at certain angle. Okay, so the next proceeding is the I have to take the pentagon name is called as a pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so these are the parameters I have to take. For example, the base length I have to take as 25 mm and the height I have to take 65 mm. Okay. Next, the condition is called as the axis perpendicular. That is the position of the solid. Okay. And the orientation of the solid is here inclined. Okay. Inclined certain theta. Okay. To certain angle. Okay. I take as a 15 degree. Okay, or 50 degree or 20 degree, whatever convenient. Okay, you mentioned. Okay, so that value you have to take them. So first of all, what I do? Okay, first your point, you have to place the point over here. Okay, so after pointing place, okay, you have to proceeding the what is the angle mentioned. Okay, that is a only for the orientation of the solid. Okay, it will look like a front view. Okay, so 15 degree, so you mark it as a 15 degree. This is the 15 degree. What is the base then? 25. So this is my 25. Okay, that's 25 mm. You have to draw this 50 line along the line. Okay, so like E dash and D dash. Okay, once you have to completing E dash and D dash, you have to proceed the next step. What we do is like a interior angle you have to take out from this play point. Okay, so what is the interior of the pentagon? 108 and 108. So you have to point place over here. You mark as the 108 degree. That is the point is called as A dash and C dash. So from this point, you take the arc like a 25 mm. You measure the arc is cutting from A dash and C dash. The two are getting joined, meeting at one point is called as a B dash. Okay, that B dash is completing for the whole pentagon. Okay, once you have to complete all the pentagon, next step what we do, we give the name. It's like a dash. Okay, if you look at a front view, you always mention as a dash like A dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. Okay, then and also I have to find out the how to find out the center of the O. We discussed in the last videos. Okay, so the same point you have to mark it over here like this is my center of point. Okay, so then first of all you have to proceed in the all the lines. Okay, so first foremost thing you have to proceed in the center line like this. Okay, that is the first step for that. Next step you have to do uh, it's like A dash coming A and the B dash is coming B and the E dash is coming B and the C dash and D dash. Okay, so you draw like this and also you draw the horizontal line from it. Okay, you draw the horizontal line from like A and D you have to get in the joint. Okay, after joining these 2 points, okay, we already constructing the axis of the center line. Okay, so from the axis of center line we have to mark it as a 65 mm. So from this value, you have to take a market as a 65 mm. Okay, so from this status, if I mark it as a 65 mm. Once you have to mark it 65 mm, you have to join the all the corners. Okay, so like this, you have to join in. For example, let's say take a simple colors. So it's like a joining like this. So all the corner getting joined. So the AO dash, AO and DO is a longer edge of the pentagon compared to BO and the CO. This side is more value when compared to these two data. Okay. So in this method, you have to carry out the one of the base inclined to HP or corner on the base on HP. So this case is very much important and very easy for that. Okay, once you have to completing A, B, C, E, D, E is a base of the pyramid and this O is a apex or vertex of the pyramid. Okay, so let's move on the next topic. We're discussing about the corner on HP is equally inclined. Thank you. Yes. So then you are to constructing the front, completing the front and top. Okay. So next step, what we do is like to give the name for that diagram. Okay. So the clearly that is A, B, C, D is a base of the pyramid and the O is a apex or vertex. Okay. So the all the corners getting joining at one point, this name is called as a apex or vertex. That name is we mention as a O. Okay. So then we are to proceeding the we are to representing the dimension part. Okay. So what from the dimension part, what we do is like I have take a simple color is like yes. Yes. So this value I have take as mentioned as 20 and this value. I have to mention this value only. So this value is like a 60, 55 and 20. Yeah, okay. So this case you have to mention like this dimension for once you have to complete the all the points, okay. Then only you have to proceeding these steps, okay. So this angle I have take a 15 degree, okay. So that is also you have to mention. So in this method you have to proceed the corner of the base on the HP, okay. So from compared to first cases, the first cases the base is on HP, okay. So that we have to proceeding very easily. But first here I have to take the angle. Okay, the first step is you all mention the angle, then you have to proceed the base set along the angle degree. You're constructing the pentagon. Then you have to projection the all the points, okay, towards the XY line. You completing the top view of the plane. Okay. So in this case, we have to discussing the base of the edge on the HP and also corner on the HP. So we have seen the upcoming classes. We discussing about corner on HP with the base edge are equally equal. So this case is also mentioned. The rectangular face is parallel to HP. That is also case we have to mention. The both if you are continuing mention means you have to proceed the one single diagram. Okay.